Welcome, welcome. We have a new product that I'm very excited about. You actually gave us the idea and we took it all the way to the finish line. And I'm excited to share with you, and that's our Waistline templates. And what those Waistline templates do are some very important things. Some of the problems that we have by not using a template is the pant doesn't come all the way up to our waist in the back. It's too short. And I've heard so many of you say, yeah, when I sit down, it's just not deep enough. And that's really crotch depth is what it is, but this template will help you get that. In skirts, oftentimes we have little ripples underneath the waistband. It's caused by sway back, and those things will be fixed by the template also. So let's first go over and just let me explain to you how they work so that you can get your pre-order in. That's now through Sunday, and you'll want to go ahead and take care of that. So this first picture is a skirt. And it's the waistline of a skirt, and it's front and back. And you'll get skirt waistlines front and back and pant waistlines front and back. Now, whenever you're trying to find something straight on the body, because the body's not straight, we almost make up a point. And when I say that, what I mean by when you look at this picture, you'll see center front and hip line are perpendicular to one another. Well, there's no such thing as center front on your body. It's no anatomical alignment. It's just simply what we label to be halfway in between the side seams, which are variables also. But again, for our pattern total circumference, and once it's divided, we find a center front and a center back, and then we have a hip line, and those two lines are perpendicular. Now, when we find those two lines and we get them perpendicular to one another, that's the point we use in order to get the shape of the waist and the shape of the hip. Now, with this waistline template, you'll have the shape of the waist and the shape of the hip. You'll have both. So all you'll do is find those center front and hip line, which are marked on almost all your patterns. You'll put your template there and simply be able to draw the waist from there, both front and back. There's many of us, most of us, who the back waist is generally higher than the front waist. Either our tummy has expanded or something's caused most of the time, our waist to go down in the front. And you know what? That's okay, nothing wrong with it. The only thing we want to do is exactly mirror what our body does flat on the tissue. So what we'll do is take a pair of pants, we can lay the templates down on the pants, and then we can draw in the shape of the waist. Or if you already have a silhouette pattern and you know that works for you, you can use that exact same shape in order to do the template, in order to do your permanent template. Then you can take it to any other pattern. So this is a very quick, consistent way to get your shape of your waist flat down onto the tissue. And it's going to be just simply easy. All right, so the next thing I want you to look at is the pants. The pants are a little different. And this pants, in this case, our perpendicular lines now are the grain line. Because center front is off grain, center back is off grain, side seam's off grain, waistline's off grain, everything's off grain, but the grain line is not. The grain line is straight. So the two lines that we find perpendicular are the grain line and the crotch line. And then once we have that, we lay our template in place and we draw the waistline, crotch line, hip line, and we can draw the rest in. So let's talk about what affects these things and what you'll have to do. So for instance, if your final product has darts, then you'll have to pin in the darts on the tissue and then make the comparison. If the final pattern is a jean and it has a yoke, you'll want to put together the tissue, the yoke and the pant, and then use your template. So you'll bring together the pant as it would be stitched and then lay the template on top. The template is finished. So it's just going to be fun and easy. And this is, the reason I did this is that this will be a place for Q&As. So as you have your templates and you're using your templates, you can go in and post questions and I'll come in and answer them for you so that you can just keep going with your templates. So the goal is to make it fun, easy, and simple. Fit is fun. Fit is fun. We got to say that over and over. Fit is not hard. Fit is fun. All right, so templates again, they're on pre-sale now through Sunday. There's the waistline templates, shape of the waist. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.